Hi QVC, I'm Rebecca Roberts, Director of Education at Estée Lauder. That's right, Estée Lauder, created by one of the world's first female entrepreneurs. Now we continue that legacy today by creating innovative, sophisticated, and high-performance skincare and makeup. We believe in helping people look and feel their very most beautiful. And a great way to create that confidence is with a wonderful complexion. Now, when I say complexion, what I mean is skincare, perfect for you, and of course, foundation. So to do that, there's 3 products that I'd love to show you. First, Advanced Night Repair Serum. So we'll start there. Then, Double Wear Stay in Place Foundation. And last, but certainly not least, Futurist Hydra Rescue Makeup. Let's do this. Advanced Night Repair Serum. Who's it for? Everyone. And when I say everyone, I genuinely mean everyone. All ethnicities, all genders, all ages. Listen, 20 to 90, we all want to look the best version of ourselves. I know I do. And that doesn't necessarily mean we want to look young. We just want to look more youthful. I love this lightweight serum texture, so check it out. It absorbs so quickly and so easily into the skin, which I love. Now, you may have heard of it before, but it's recently been updated, so you're getting all the goods. Let's talk about how to use it. I take a full dropper full, morning and night, rub it between my hands, and I simply apply it in a heart motion, starting in the center of my face, and then another heart here, and then I waste none, and I take it down on my neck, like so. That's before your moisturizer, and you're gonna wanna follow, obviously, with any moisturizer that you absolutely love. We'll talk about my favorites perhaps another time, but this is a great product to prep your skin. Let's talk foundation with Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup. Who is it for? Everyone. But you're going to choose it on the days you want 24-hour wear and a natural matte finish. I'm going to put a little bit on so you can see. This is available in 56 beautiful shades. What I love about it is this buildable coverage and this great natural matte finish that really perfects the skin. What I also love is it is mask friendly, and there you have it. So before moving on, I really want you to see the goodness that is Double Wear with this natural matte finish versus no foundation. All right, so up next, we've got Futurist Hydra Rescue Moisturizing Makeup. Who's it for? Everyone. But you would choose this on the days that you want more of a radiant finish and an SPF 45. It's a great makeup. So here's how to use it. You're gonna just put maybe one full pump, but I'm gonna do half my face, so we'll go half a pump. On the back of your hand, you can put it on your fingertips. And this one you actually apply with the fingertips, so no artistry needed. This is an incredibly moisturizing makeup, which you can see gives that instant radiance. I did share it's got that great SPF 45, which we love. It's available in 20 shades, and you're really gonna get this incredible radiant finish instantly to the skin. And again, no artistry required. So I'm just applying with fingertips. And there it is. So whether you want the natural matte or that natural radiance, we've got it covered with foundation. And there you have it. Thank you, QVC. I so enjoyed this, and I hope you enjoyed learning about the high-performance, innovative trio at Estée Lauder: Advanced Night Repair, Double Wear Foundation, and Futurist Hydra Rescue Makeup. Until next time.